as you asking about the lower package, so right now we found out one supplier that is actually near to our company, like around 5 minutes driving. So right now we are at their factory in here. So I'm pretty sure this is the one that you saw on the video, and then this is the steel material, and then this is the liquid cooling lower package. You have like the waters. They are using this to testing the air tightness over here, and then you can insert the liquid around this corner. And also this is another one. This is another kind of model of the liquid cooling lower package. And then this one is like a little bit expensive. The material for this one is aluminum, so this one is like a little bit expensive over here. This is also the liquid cooling one. You can inject for the liquid cooling, okay. And also we have like air cooling, like pack case. So I will show you over here. This way. Gonna pack and shipping over here. And then remember I said over that area is for liquid cooling, so this is for the air cooling over here. This is the air cooling. Everything can be customized as per your energy storage pack.